Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify complex financial topics to help you make informed decisions. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the stock market. If you've ever wondered what it is and how it works, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the stock market and feel confident to dive into the world of investing. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's embark on this journey together. What is the stock market? The stock market is like a bustling marketplace where investors come together to buy and sell stocks. But what exactly are stocks? Well, stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, which means you own a tiny piece of that company. As a shareholder, you have the right to participate in the company's growth and profit through dividends and potential stock price appreciation. The stock market, therefore, is where these stocks are bought and sold, providing a platform for investors to trade and interact with one another. How does the stock market work? Host. The stock market operates on the principles of supply and demand. When a company performs well or shows potential, investors become interested in owning its stock. This high demand causes the stock's price to rise. Conversely, if a company faces challenges or negative news, investors may sell their stock, leading to a decrease in price. It's a constant dance between buyers and sellers, with prices fluctuating based on market sentiment and company performance. In addition to individual investors, institutional investors such as mutual funds, pension funds, and hedge funds also play a significant role in the stock market. These institutional investors manage large pools of money and make substantial trades that can influence the overall market. Stock exchanges and indexes. Host. Stock exchanges are the platforms where stocks are traded. Think of them as the meeting point for buyers and sellers. Some well-known stock exchanges include the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, the Nasdaq, and the London Stock Exchange, LSE. These exchanges provide a regulated environment for investors to buy and sell stocks. Companies listed on these exchanges must adhere to certain reporting and disclosure requirements, ensuring transparency and protecting investors' interests. Now, let's talk about indexes. An index is like a benchmark that tracks the performance of a group of stocks. The most famous index is the S&P 500, which includes 500 large companies from different sectors. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, is another well-known index that represents 30 large publicly traded companies. Investors use indexes to gauge overall market performance and compare their own investment returns to the broader market. How to invest in the stock market. Host. Now that you have a basic understanding of the stock market, you might be wondering how to get started as an investor. The first step is to open a brokerage account. A brokerage account acts as a bridge between you and the stock market. It allows you to buy and sell stocks through an online platform. There are many reputable brokerage firms available, so make sure to choose one that aligns with your needs, offers competitive fees, and provides educational resources for beginners. Once you have an account, it's important to do thorough research on the companies you're interested in. Look at their financials, growth prospects, and industry trends. Understand the company's competitive advantage, its management team, and its positioning within the market. This research will help you make informed investment decisions. Diversification is also key. Instead of putting all your eggs in one